Is it your first time filling up with the E-85?
Yeah.
Let's go. So you're at about a quart tank right now?
Yeah, just a little bit over.
Okay. What's it at right now? So 369?
Yeah, 5.
Yeah. Oh, what does he got? Oh, Audi. Okay, yeah. He knows what's up.
It's turbo, but you know.
He's gonna feel it.
That's funny. Not a Chevron.
Yeah.
Might have to get a new cap.
Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that.
Gotta get that.
10 gallons, wow. Not even $40, huh? Let's go. You were trying to see what it would have been?
I was averaging almost 21.
Miles to the gallon. So how much would you have spent for what you just put in right now?
Well, you figure at Costco,
Well, you put 10 gallons.
It's $5.40, so I would have spent $54.
$5.40?
It's $5.40 a gallon right now, even at Costco. Right here, it's like
It's $39.
freaking look what
$39.19.
it's $6.20
Yeah.
a gallon.
Okay, gotcha. So even at Costco, so I would have spent 54. Right now, you spent 39. Okay. So let's go. It's gonna read it as it goes through.
Right.
So you're still at 10% ethanol, but you'll get, as it's going through the fuel line, it'll read.
Yep, like yes, it's right around 50%.
How does it feel?
I mean, I get my oil change and I think, oh, it's smoother.
Yeah.
So if you ask me, I'm like, yeah, heck yeah, you feel that turbo?
Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
I can feel it. I'm optimistic about it, so. What's cool is I'm definitely gonna be putting my thing on the dash.
Oh yeah. Just to see your RPMs.
Yeah.
And there you have it, people. That is the first Highlander that I have converted into Eflexfuel using the E-Flex kit. Installation was fairly simple. What can I say? Piggyback system with ethanol sensor. Everything you need is included. The only thing I needed to purchase was a fuel line that was a little bit bigger than what came in the kit. Besides that, that was like what, $7. And besides that, everything that I needed was in the kit. It's been working great for him. He's loving it. He's saving a lot of money on fuel. And it's not that complicated. It's very easy. We're just not aware of what we can do yet. So I'm trying to let everybody know it's simple, it's affordable with 2 oil changes. After 2 oil changes of driving, basically, after 10,000 miles, the kit has paid itself off by saving money at the pump. We made the math. So you can pull it out of the car, take it into your next car if you sell your car. So it's a great kit. Honestly, I hope this has helped a lot of you guys make a decision on it, or make you answer any questions that you may have. If you do have any more questions, please just feel free to comment and ask me. Let me know what you think, what you're wondering, and I will try to answer that question for you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.